Hi, my name is Jyoti, and I want to tell you today something very important, which is like how to channelize your anger in the positive direction. All of you must be thinking that channelizing anger in the positive direction, how is it even possible? Anger itself is so negative. Yes, I know anger is very negative, but if you use it, if you really break the anger in terms of emotions, usually it's a very high intensity emotion. And when you have a very high intensity linked to any emotions, it can really fetch you good result. So why not utilize your anger to get something in your life? I have noticed, or rather I teach people how to use the most important thing in their life to channelize the anger. Now, for example, if you want to achieve something in your life and you don't know how to achieve it, right? You have no direction, you have no way of achieving it. Why not use the intensity of anger? Why not tell yourself that, I'm going to make sure that I achieve this, and use anger to anchor your desires, use anger to achieve something in your life. I have noticed this a lot of time, that if you use the intensity of anger to achieve something, you tend to get result faster. You know why? Because the intensity is high, your behavior is linked to that particular emotion, and when that behavior is linked to particular emotions, you are very much active or aggressive to get these things done. Why not channelize something in a positive direction, or in a direction where you can achieve something, rather than wasting your energy, your skills on something like as negative as anger? I have noticed that what happens is, many times people don't know how to deal with emotions, and that is why they tend to take decisions which are not good for them. Usually when you're angry, we tend to take decisions which usually can hurt us, or they can also hurt the third person, which is not a right scenario to be in, right? It can hurt our family, it can hurt our friends or colleagues, or anybody who's of importance in our life. But why not use this anger to learn something out of it? Tell me, if you dig deep, if you do a scan of your anger, what is it that you're going to get in your life? The only thing you're going to get is, it's not useful. You're just killing your time, because anger kills your time. It doesn't kill somebody else's time. It kills your time. It takes away the only essence of life from you, because when you're angry, you forget as if you're a human being. You feel that you have no control over your own body, and that happens with each one of us. Believe me, it's not only something which is happening with you, but it happens with each one of us, that when we are in an angered state, we are not able to think anything, we are not able to decide on anything, we are not able to take any right decision. That is why a lot of time, whenever we take decisions which are related to, which are in a state of being angry, we happen to take wrong decisions. We happen to take decisions influenced by negative energy and emotions. And that is how I always say that, why not channelize this energy into achieving something for yourself? Achieve something for yourself, and automatically you will be able to create something for yourself. Because the more and more you start understanding the reason behind anger, automatically you will be able to understand that why do you even get angry. The moment you go in the core of your anger, you start understanding that it's not anger, it could be some unfulfilled desire, because of which you get angry. And usually the reason with people getting angry is the unfulfilled desires, certain desires which are not completed, which are not fulfilled, and they're angry over something. It could be a failed relationship, it could be failing a business, it could be failing an exam, it could be anything. But why not channelize it to achieve something in life? You can definitely do that. I'm going to tell you a couple of activities, or rather steps, through which you can channelize your anger. I always tell people that writing is the best thing which is for us as a human being. So why not write down your thoughts or emotions, what happens to you when you feel angry? The more and more you write about it, you'll be able to understand the pattern behind it. The moment you understand the pattern behind it, you'll be automatically be able to solve your problem, because the more and more you'll understand the pattern, you actually go to the core problem of the situation. You'll understand the reason behind you get angry. And the moment you understand the situation or the problem because of which you really get angry, you can automatically find a solution for it. So guys, get into a writing mode. I'm not saying only this works in terms of anger. It works in terms of any kind of confusion you have in your life. I always tell everyone that writing is the most important thing. Sometimes we are not able to express our emotions to someone. Sometimes we are fearful, that people will judge us. But what is the problem in writing about your feelings? What is the problem in writing your emotions, right? Guys, get these things done and you'll have amazing clarity in your life. I'm not only preaching it, but I personally use these techniques in my life to get clarity. And the moment you have more and more clarity, automatically your life becomes easy. And at the end, we are trying to simplify our life, right? Because you want to experience your life in a much better way. You want to simplify the whole experience of your life. So go ahead and write down the reason. Just write about all the feelings you're getting at that point in time. You'll find a pattern and start working on your pattern. If you like this particular video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will come up with more and more videos. Please do put in comment if you want to say something to me, or if there is anything in any way I can improve. Thank you so much for being here.